Hello, everyone. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, everyone. I'm gonna do an early one, just because I'm really excited. That one I did before was kind of boring, so I thought I'd do this, show you guys all the fans in my dad's house. So, starting off in my room, I got the Hunter Regala ceiling, regalia. Or regala. I don't really know. I think you can call it both. I don't really know exactly how you pronounce it. Chains, bowl like kit, pretty cool. The chain actually got I forgot to mention this to y'all guys a few months ago. Back in May, the chain got very it got the chain I just went it was before I put these chains on here. I literally just went like that and it just came out. Not the whole chain, just part of it. But I got it fixed. But yeah. Okay, let's move on. And here in the guest bedroom, there's another Hunter Regala. Oh, it's too dark with that light off. But yeah, this one's a good fan as well. Okay, yeah, when you turn that light off, it's pitch black in here. But okay. There's that. And in the living room, there's the Harper Breeze Kingsbury. And in the office, there's another Hunter Regalia. The lobe is a little bit dirty. There's some dirt inside of it, but it's okay. There's the light. And then in here in the master bedroom, there's another Hunter Regala, except this one's on a longer down rod, as you can see. There's the light. Oh, also, surprising fact. This fan has a longer down rod than that fan. I think it's because the ceilings are actually higher in here, which is kind of surprising, but I just realized I had a longer down rod. I've noticed that for a while, so yeah, but I think that's all. So anyways, hope you guys have a happy National Ceiling Fan Day. Thanks for watching.